Welcome to this presentations on Cascade Amplifier. I am Devaki, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering, K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. We will learn about the limitation of single stage amplifier, the needs of cascading, the circuit design, characteristics and applications and advantages of Cascade Amplifier. Okay, this side include a single stage transistor amplifier has many limitations. It's often suffer from the limited bandwidth, inadequate gain and pure input and output impedance matching. To overcome this problem, we use multi-stage amplifier, also known as a cascade amplifier. By cascading several stages together, we achieve the stable gain bandwidth product. This technique helps to building a practical systems where a single stage is simply not enough. What is a cascade amplifier? So what exactly is a cascade amplifier? It's a two-port network in which amplifiers are connected in a series, often called a daisy chain connections. In this arrangement, the output of one stage is fed as an input to the next stage. This approach allows us to achieve the much higher while still maintaining the reasonable bandwidth. A common example is cascade of two common emitter stages. Next one is a need for cascade amplifier. The need of cascade amplifier arises because the single stage amplifier cannot always provide the sufficient voltage gain due to the limitation of the transistor and circuit components. By combining the multi-stage, we can greatly increase the overall voltage gain of amplifier. However, they are trade-off. As the number of stages increases, the available bandwidth decreases. Thus, designer must be balanced between gain of the frequency response. Next slide is continued by cascade amplifier circuit. The cascade amplifier circuits usually consist of two transistor stage, a common emitter CE stage followed by the common base CB stage. The common emitter stage provides a good current gain and input resistance, and the common base stage on the other hand, they offer high output impedance and excellent high frequency operations. One of the key benefits of this arrangement is that Miller capacitance effect is minimized, which improves the high frequency performance. This makes CE-CB combinations highly effective and cascade amplifier design. Two-stage amplifier, this is the circuit diagram. Here the circuit diagram of two-stage cascade amplifier. The output of first stage, which is usually a common emitter, is directly connected to the input of the second stage, which is common base configuration. These simple connections allow the amplifier to combine the benefits of both stages and achieve the high gain and wide bandwidth. It also provides the good impedance and matching between the stages. Next one is the characteristics of, let us now look at the important characteristics of cascade amplifier. The input resistance is generally low due to the common emitter stages, while the output resistance is high because of common base stages. The current gain is moderate to high. The output gain is also quite high. This another significant characteristic is strong isolations between the input-output, which is improve the performance and reduce the unwanted feedback. Next one is the application of cascade amplifier. The cascade amplifier is widely used to real world applications. They are employed in a tuned amplifier is a telephone receiver. They are also used as a wideband amplifier in communication system. Wherever strong isolations between the input-output required, cascade amplifiers prove very effective. In short, they are essential building practical electronic systems where single stage amplifier cannot meet the requirements. Next one is the cascade amplifier has several advantages. It provides the high voltage gain, high bandwidth, good isolations between the input output, and also reduce the effect of Miller capacitance, which improve the high frequency response. On other side, number of stages increases, the bandwidth decreases. Also, the design becomes more complex as more stages are added. So engineers needs to carefully consider how many stages are required of the applications. Next one is that to conclude the cascade amplifier solve the gain bandwidth limitation of single stage amplifier by combining the common emitter and the common base stages. They are provide the high gain, wide frequency response and good impedance matching. It makes them the excellent choice for use the communication systems, wideband circuit and TV receiver. Thus cascade amplifier are practical and reliable solutions for high performance amplifications. This is the questions for by this video watching we are able to answer for these questions. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks once again. Thank you.